So hello guys again for this another video. Since you are done with the egg phase or the awareness phase, now we are moving towards the learning phase wherein you are learning towards the price action or in this caterpillar. Caterpillar. Now in this category or in this phase, in this form, you will learn about the market condition, how the price moves, the trading sessions, fractals theories, candlesticks, areas of interest, and basically just how to read the charts using price action. Now, you could also be using technical indicators or any indicators that there are, or I believe I need to teach you. No, or I believe you can use in reading the charts. But basically, we'll focus on price action, diba? On how the price moves. And this is under the technical analysis, if I'm not mistaken. And in this area or in this category, you will learn that you will learn that and in this category you will learn how to, or I would teach you how to read the price, or why does the price goes down when it reaches this level, diba? Kasi nga, the market has this way of telling us kung paano nagbo-move yung price, diba? And we are basing on probability, which means there are patterns that we are looking at, diba? We are reading the markets through patterns. And those patterns creates probability, and then those probability could turn or probably turn our trades or our this trading as an edge, di ba? It could turn into an edge. Kasi nga, if you have an edge in the market, then all you have to do is just continue doing those repetitive setups and improve those setups. So yeah, that's it for this category or this introduction. See you guys sa next video.